Hello. Today let's talk about your mirrors, your angle mirrors on your Mazda CX-5. Let's have a seat at the driver's side. And if you're looking on the left side, on armrest, you can see some buttons. Here you can choose different styles. On the left side you can see one mirror. And on the right side you can see another mirror. These are the angle mirrors of you to see what's going on behind. And these mirrors in the center you can use by your hand, adjust by your hand. But the other two you have to adjust with the knob. The ignition must be switched to a thief or on position. Rotate the mirror switch to the left or to the right as you like, which mirror you like to adjust. Then press the mirror switch into appropriated direction. You can use it in the left or right, up and down. It's really easy to adjust. Let's perform this on a live mirror adjustment mode. So switch on the ignition. You do not have to start the engine, but you have to place your key inside the in the interior area. So here we are. Now we have power. Let's start. Left. Then we are on the left side to adjust the left mirror. Then let's now adjust it by using the knob. Pull. Yeah, here we go. Then press. Yeah, good job, man. Right and left side. Wow. After adjusting the mirrors, lock the control by rotating the switch to the center position. Job's done. Now it's all done. But there's more. You can perform this on the right side, the same way like the left side. Here you have folding outside mirrors. That looks really nice, isn't it? Yeah. Really. This is the automatic folding function. The automatic folding function operates when the ignition is switched to ACC or off. When the outside mirror automatic folding switch is pressed to the outer position, this is the neutral position, the outside mirrors automatically fold in and out if you are lock or unlock your doors. Also, when the ignition is switched on or the engine is started, the outside mirrors fold out automatically. Like it. I like it really much. Let's perform this. Here we can see. Awesome. This is really awesome. If you have the other options, then you can do this by your hand manually. That means one operation means always outside folding, and the other option means always inside folding. This is really awesome, and I don't know, switch to automatic. This is the coolest stuff. Maybe there is at the winter time, if it's cold outside, minus 40 degrees Celsius, etc., then there can be ice inside the folding function and motor, and this can harm this system. So at the winter time, maybe you can use to get this in the outside folding position all day long. But if you like the cooler style, switch to automatic mode. This is how to adjust your angle mirror and how to use your power folding outside mirror. Like it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.